this video, we will be talking about our stock colored tents. Our stock colored tents come in the following colors: white, black, blue, green, and red. Each one is water resistant, which is perfect for those summer craft shows where downpours can happen when we least want them to. Our stock color comes in canopies and walls that will fit our most popular frames. You can choose between our half walls, full walls with a window, which you can choose between plastic or mesh, and a full wall with a door and plastic window. On the left is our plastic window option, and the right is our mesh window option. Let's talk about setting up your frame with a canopy. First, expand the frame outward but not fully, and place the canopy over the frame. Make sure the print is facing the correct direction and that the corners of the print line up with the correct corners of the frame. Now attach the loop adhesive located on the inside of the print to the hook adhesive around the top of each post. Once the print is secured to the frame, expand the frame outward. The locking clips on the frame will snap into place once the frame is fully expanded. Once the frame is fully expanded, go underneath the tent and secure the straps around the frame. To attach our full walls, start off by ensuring the legs are at their maximum extension height. Next, attach the wall's loop adhesive to the hook adhesive on the tent valance. Secure the sides of the wall by wrapping the hook and loop adhesive tabs around the tent legs. Our walls can be rolled up while they are still connected to the canopy. When it gets to the top, you then use the hook and loop adhesive tabs to lock it into place. To fold the full wall in half to create an entryway, start off by undoing the hook and loop straps on one side. Now, remove half of the wall by pulling the top of the wall away from the hook and loop strip located on the top of the canopy. Once you fold the wall, take the loose hook and loop straps and attach them to the tent legs. For the half wall, assemble the support pole by connecting one of the long poles to the small pole and then connecting the other long pole to the other side of the smaller pole. Slide the half wall support bar through the print's pole sleeve. The support bar should go through the entire pole sleeve with both ends of the pole sticking out from each end of the print. Attach the half wall clamps. Unscrew the knobs completely from the clamps and slide the clamps around the tent legs. Place the appropriate end of the half wall support bar through the opening of the clamp. Place the knob into the open holes and tighten the knob. Repeat this step with the second pole. Secure the hook and loop adhesive tabs of the half wall around the tent legs. The full wall with the window is attached the same way as the full wall. Attach the wall's loop adhesive to the hook adhesive on the tent valance. Secure the sides of the wall by wrapping the hook and loop adhesive tabs around the tent legs. For the window, you want to unzip the overlaying fabric and then roll it up. When it gets to the top, secure the rolled up window with the toggle straps to lock it into place. The full wall with the door and the window also attaches the same way as the full wall. Attach the wall's loop adhesive to the hook adhesive on the tent valance. Secure the sides of the wall by wrapping the hook and loop adhesive tabs around the tent legs. For the window, you want to unzip the overlaying fabric and then roll it up. Once the overhanging fabric is rolled up, secure the rolled up window with the toggle straps. Next, move to the door which you just unzipped the overlaying fabric. When it gets to the top, you then use the hook and loop adhesive tabs to lock it into place. To zip our walls together, first locate the zipper and attach it to the insertion pin at the top of the tent. Now zip it closed, making sure the legs are inside the tent's walls. To help secure your tent, we also sell tent stakes and weights. Tent stakes are the one item that people forget the most when they're planning any outdoor event. We offer a wide variety of different tent stakes and anchors so that you can keep your tent grounded no matter what the weather throws at you. Our tent weights are great for when you are outside, but also when you're going to indoor shows and want to make sure if someone bumps into it, it won't move. These optional accessories give your pop-up tent extra stability when the wind comes streaming in. We offer a wide range of cases and bags that will fit our frames and prints. Just place the tent frame into the bag, then zip shut. Next, place the print into the front pocket and push the pocket closed. Once everything is packed up, you're ready to be on your way. Here, we show how to fold your canopy to store easily in your carrying case or bag. First, you want to match up each end of the tent. Think of a triangle. You want the corners of the tents to make up the bottom edges, and the top of the tent makes up the top of the triangle. Now grab one bottom edge of the triangle and fold it till it meets the opposite edge of the triangle. Grab all the tent sides that you just folded over and fold them again till you reach the end of the print. It should now look like a rectangle with a point on the top. You want to fold the rectangle again as shown till it's compact enough to fit into your bag. If you have access to a steamer, you may use it to help get out any wrinkles from being folded. You can check out our frame video where we go over the highlights of each frame by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of the video. Our tents are great for trade shows, events, parties, weddings, craft shows, and more. They last in the most demanding environments and can be easily transported from one show to another. We have walls for any occasion that might arise. Order today by visiting our website. All our custom printing is done here in the USA and sewn in-house. Remember to like our videos and subscribe for more trade show content.